Alright, hello guys. So today I will introduce to you guys an ergonomic keyboard, and this is Cidoo V68. And as you guys can see, this is an Alice talking about the outside first. So as you can see, this is an aluminum keyboard, and because it's aluminum, it is extremely heavy and really durable. That's the first thing. And the second thing is this aluminum layer is really smooth. The anode layer was made really good. So I mean, after like 1 week of using it, I don't see any like fingerprint stick on here or the sweat stick on here. So that is the first good sign. And the second thing you can see is actually the screen right here. So when I turn it on, so they said that this screen can be adjusted using the VIA app or anything you like. This can be the screen can be custom, and then you have a knob. Well, this is a metal knob. It's not a cheap knob. It's a real metal knob. So you could actually feel the premium in this keyboard build. Then, as I said before, this is via programmability. So you can remap the buttons on this one. So as you can see here, this keyboard doesn't have a super key like the window button, so I programmed this Alt button to become a Windows button, which is really good. And the final thing I want to say is this keyboard is Southern LED, has a Southern LED, which is a great thing. So because it's Southern LED, so it will be suitable with any type of keycaps. So for cherry, especially if you guys like using cherry keycaps, so you won't be worried about it being interfered with the switch. So that is another good thing. And finally, it is the beautiful LED. Let me show you. Here we go. This is the beautiful LED, and so as you can see, it has the LED, but because I'm using this keycap, so you really cannot see this LED, but you always can use the shine through keycaps for the LED to really shine right there. And finally, I want to say this: if you guys finding an ergonomic keyboard in 2026, this guy is the one. So let me talk about the price of this thing. So this guy, the price of this guy, like just the kit, is $81, and $81 with this type of build, I mean, I would say that it's definitely worth it. It's a really good budget keyboard, and I definitely really recommend you guys to try this on. So this is an aluminum keyboard, and it has a knob, it has a screen. So with $81, I cannot say that this is a bad keyboard. So now let's come to the sound test of this guy. So I'm using Echo Creamy Cyan, which is clicky switches, and here's the sound. So that is the end of the video, and I hope you guys like it.